David Ray Griffin's concept of Panexperientialism by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. David Ray Griffin's concept of Panexperientialism has been a subject of significant interest and debate within the field of philosophy and metaphysics. Panexperientialism is a philosophical position that posits the presence of experiential qualities or subjectivity at all levels of reality, from the smallest particles to the most complex organisms. At the core of Panexperientialism is the idea that all entities, regardless of their complexity, possess some form of experience or subjective inner life. This stands in contrast to more traditional philosophical views that limit subjectivity to certain types of entities, such as humans or animals. David Ray Griffin, 1939 to 2022, a prominent process philosopher and professor of philosophy of religion and theology, has been a leading advocate for Panexperientialism. In his work, Griffin has developed and refined the concept, offering a comprehensive framework for understanding the nature of experience and subjectivity in the universe. Griffin's approach to Panexperientialism draws from process philosophy, metaphysics, and the philosophy of mind, weaving together these diverse strands of thought into a coherent and compelling vision of reality. Process philosophy is a philosophical perspective that emphasizes change, development, and becoming as fundamental aspects of reality. It views the world as a dynamic and interconnected process in which everything is in a state of flux. Process philosophy rejects the idea of fixed, unchanging entities and instead focuses on the relationships and interactions between different entities. Key concepts in process philosophy include creativity, novelty, and the idea that reality is constantly evolving. This perspective is often contrasted with more traditional metaphysical views that emphasize stability, permanence, and static being. Central to Griffin's concept of Panexperientialism is the idea that experience is a fundamental aspect of the cosmos. According to Panexperientialism, every entity, from subatomic particles to galaxies, participates in the ongoing process of experience. This participation is not limited to conscious, self-reflective awareness, but encompasses a broader spectrum of experiential qualities, including prehension, feeling, and relationality. Griffin emphasizes the interconnectedness of all entities within the universe, arguing that the fabric of reality is woven from a tapestry of experiential threads. This relational aspect of Panexperientialism highlights the ways in which entities interact and influence one another through their respective experiences, forming a rich and dynamic network of interrelated subjectivities. Furthermore, Griffin proposes that the concept of Panexperientialism offers a more inclusive and holistic understanding of reality, one that transcends the traditional boundaries between mind and matter. By recognizing the presence of experience at all levels of existence, Panexperientialism seeks to bridge the gap between the subjective and objective dimensions of reality, presenting a vision of the universe in which subjectivity is woven into the very fabric of being. The implications of Panexperientialism are far-reaching, touching upon a wide range of philosophical, scientific, and ethical questions. One significant implication of Panexperientialism is its potential to reframe our understanding of consciousness and the mind-body relationship. By positing the presence of experience at the most fundamental level of reality, Panexperientialism challenges dualistic conceptions of mind and matter, suggesting a more integrated and seamless relationship between the two. Moreover, Panexperientialism has implications for our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. By recognizing the experiential nature of all entities, Panexperientialism invites us to reevaluate our ethical and ecological responsibilities toward the environment and other living beings. This shift in perspective has the potential to inform our approach to environmental stewardship, animal welfare, and the ethical treatment of sentient beings. From a scientific standpoint, Panexperientialism raises questions about the nature of physical processes and the role of experience in shaping the evolution and behaviour of natural systems. This opens new avenues for interdisciplinary dialogue between philosophy, physics, biology and cognitive science, as scholars seek to explore the implications of Panexperientialism for our understanding of the natural world. As with any philosophical framework, Panexperientialism has been met with various criticisms and objections. One common critique is the challenge of articulating and defining the nature of experience at non-organic or non-cognitive levels of reality. Critics argue that the concept of experience may lose its meaningfulness or coherence when extended to entities that lack cognitive or perceptual faculties. In response to this criticism, proponents of Panexperientialism, including Griffin, have sought to clarify the nature of experience in a way that accommodates the diverse forms of subjectivity present in the universe. This involves distinguishing between different modes of experience, such as prehensive experience, affective experience, and relational experience, which may manifest in varying ways across different levels of reality. Another criticism of Panexperientialism pertains to its compatibility with scientific explanations of the natural world. Skeptics question whether the inclusion of experience as a fundamental aspect of reality aligns with our current scientific understanding of the cosmos, particularly in fields such as physics and cosmology. In addressing this criticism, proponents of Panexperientialism argue that the framework is not intended to supplant or contradict scientific explanations, but rather to offer a complementary perspective that enriches our understanding of the natural world. They contend that Panexperientialism provides a philosophical lens through which to interpret and integrate scientific findings, fostering a more nuanced and holistic worldview. In conclusion, David Ray Griffin's concept of Panexperientialism presents a compelling and thought-provoking framework for understanding the nature of experience and subjectivity in the universe. By positing the presence of experience at all levels of reality, Panexperientialism offers a holistic and inclusive vision of the cosmos, one that transcends traditional dualisms and invites us to reconsider our relationship to the natural world. While Panexperientialism is not without its challenges and criticisms, it continues to inspire philosophical inquiry and interdisciplinary dialogue, enriching our understanding of consciousness, the natural world, and the ethical dimensions of existence. As scholars and thinkers continue to engage with the complexities of Panexperientialism, its potential to reshape our worldview and inform our ethical and scientific endeavours remains a compelling area of exploration and debate.